Let's talk about the value of a cannabis lawyer, why you need one, and why you should call me today. Hi, I'm Morgan Davis. I'm an attorney focusing on cannabis and business in North Carolina. Let's talk about how to keep your business protected and thriving. As a lawyer in the cannabis industry, I get asked all the time, why do I need a lawyer? Part of that's because the cannabis industry is very young. And I think most of us would agree, we're just now moving into the professionalization of the industry. A lot of startups, a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of small businesses, especially if they've been in the legacy market, have been operating without a lawyer for a long time. And so they think, what do I need one now for? But here's the thing. Lawyers help you stay out of trouble. Let me give you an example. If you're in the hemp industry across the United States right now, there are some really hot markets opening in what we call the minor cannabinoid markets. Delta 8, Delta 10, THCO, THCA. We've talked about them on previous videos. And I get calls all the time of people asking me, is this legal? I'm an attorney. I can tell you what the law is. I can tell you what it isn't, and I can tell you what your liability is. I can't give you permission to enter that market, but I can get you all the information you need as a business owner to make an educated decision about where your business is going. So why do you need a lawyer in cannabis? A cannabis lawyer is your guide. I'm not a police officer. I'm your guide. I'm going to help you, but ultimately the choice of what you do with your business is up to you. I'm not going to tell you, yes, you can do this or no, you can't, but I'm going to make it so that you as the business owner, you as the entrepreneur, you as the captain of your business's ship are able to decide what happens with your business and which direction you're going, and if that direction puts you in hot water or not. And if you get in hot water, you've already got me on speed dial to help you get out of it. A cannabis lawyer is preventative medicine. Attorneys at their best should be viewed as preventative medicine rather than the cure. In other words, you can spend a couple $100s on me in advance of a problem to help you see the problem at the outset versus spending a couple $1,000s to help me get you out of the problem after you've already gotten into it. So it's really that simple. I'm your insurance policy. A cannabis lawyer is an unbiased sounding board. I'm not your business partner. I'm not your spouse. I'm not your employee. I've got no skin in the game when it comes to your decision. So if you come to me and say, I'm not sure whether or not we should do this, I'm not sure if this is the right direction, not only am I going to give you all of the information that I have when it comes to the legalities and the risks of both sides of a decision, but because I'm an unbiased opinion, you can trust that whatever I tell you is the full picture. A cannabis lawyer is a vault. Everything you tell me is protected by attorney-client privilege. So unlike an employee or your spouse or your business partner who, when you get divorced or they get fired or your partnership ends, might go blab around town about what you did or didn't do or what you might or might not be doing. Anything you tell me is 100% confidential. I founded Davis Legal because I'm passionate about helping cannabis companies and stakeholders take their products and get it into as many markets as possible with as few hurdles as possible. Personally, I believe in the power of plant medicine, including cannabis, and I want to help others take their plant medicine and help others with it. That's why I'm a cannabis lawyer. So if you're looking for more than just a yes man, if what I've said resonates with you, then you would be my ideal client, and I would love to work with you. Give me a call today, and I can be your cannabis lawyer.